Discover the secret behind OnePlus 12's unparalleled gaming experience, the Pixelworks X7 chip. Integrated with the IRX Rendering Acceleration solution, unlike its predecessors, the OnePlus 12 doesn't fully utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's potential until the Pixelworks X7 flexes its muscles, transforming the device into a gaming powerhouse while keeping it cool. With over 20 years of innovation, Pixelworks has been enhancing smartphone gaming since 2016, and the X7 is their most advanced visual processor yet. The OnePlus 12, armed with this technology, offers higher frame rates, resolutions, and detailed graphics without excessive power drain. Experience gaming like never before with adaptive frame booster and hyper-resolution, enabling simultaneous high performance that sets the OnePlus 12 apart from competitors like the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Witness the difference in games like Genshin Impact and PUBG Mobile, where the OnePlus 12 maintains smooth gameplay at 120 FPS, with lower power consumption and minimal heat. The IRX gaming experience brand promises to revolutionize mobile gaming, with high-fidelity visuals and efficient performance, making the OnePlus 12 a pioneer in the field. Join us in exploring how the Pixelworks X7 and IRX technology elevate mobile gaming to new heights, promising a future where smartphones rival desktop gaming performance.